greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Nelson Mandela. Spread love everywhere you go. Let no one ever come to you without leaving happier. Mother Teresa. Always remember that you are absolutely unique, just like everyone else. Margaret Mead. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Eleanor Roosevelt. Don't judge each day by the harvest you're at, but by the seeds that you plant. Robert Louis Stevenson. The best and most beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt with the heart. Helen Keller. It is during our darkest that we must focus on seeing the light. Aristotle. Whoever is happy will make others happy too. And Frank. Do not go where the path may lead. Go instead where there is no path, and leave a trail. Ralph Waldo Emerson. Never go to bed mad. Stay up and fight. Phyllis Diller. Sometimes the road less traveled is less traveled for a reason. Jerry Seinfeld. Misers are no fun to live with, but they make great ancestors. Tom Snyder. All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. Walt Disney. Don't limit yourself. Many people limit themselves to what they think they can do. You can go as far as your mind lets you. What you believe. Remember, you can achieve. Mary Kay Ash. If people are doubting how far you can go so far that you can't hear them anymore. Michelle Louise. We need to accept that we won't always make the right decisions, that we'll screw up early sometimes, understanding that failure is not the opposite of success. It's part of success. Arianna Huffington. It's hard to beat a person who never gives up. Don Baker.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, like and share. Thank you. Escape 07.